Today we have come to the place of Chirag, who has scored 99 percentile in JEE Mains January attempt.
I'm Chirag. I'm currently studying in 12th standard. I have completed my January attempt, and also I have been studying for Vedantu since the 7th grade. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, all I have done in Vedantu.
How has your journey with Vedantu been so far?
It has been enjoyable, it has been memorable, I have learned many things.
How have you managed both your school curriculum and Vedantu's curriculum?
So my school, as I said, it's Vedantu's itself, Vedantu's offline center, Diksha Vedantu, Yalanka. So it has been almost in line with what is there in Vedantu. So both of them teach the JEE syllabus, and yeah, it has been going great. So the syllabus is almost the same. So it has always been in line, and there has never been a divergence.
What are the most memorable moments from your JEE preparation journey?
It has been maybe from the start when I decided, preparing for the advanced to aim for an IIT. Also, the moment the 10th got over, then I started the mains prep. So such moments, it will.
Did you ever face a low phase during your preparation?
Yeah, at many times. Sometimes at the mock test, at the advanced test, I had scored a bit low. So there were some low points in the journey also.
And how did you overcome those?
Mainly see what's the weakness, what happened, why that low point came, and then try to prevent it from not happening.
What kind of personal attention and support did you receive from us?
I also remember that once I had asked a doubt to Amit sir, and he had called me back and replied it. So that was one of the memorable. I never thought the teachers would create a meeting and do that, solve doubts.
What motivated you to continue with Vedantu from grade 7 through grade 12?
So initially I joined Vedantu because it was COVID. I joined at 2019 and it was the COVID. And so online classes were going on, and my parents felt it's not effective to just be there with the online courses. So I joined Vedantu, so that because it has more experience in taking online classes. Later on, it went on till 8th. 8th also there was a lockdown. So also at the 9th and 10th I decided, okay, let's up the game. So I decided to take the foundation course, and it continued till it helped me in boards also in 10th, and it continued for 11th and 12th.
I would like to thank Vedantu team for guiding my son throughout his first year and the second year. What we understand is the pedagogy, whatever they have scheduled plan, which was shared very prior, and it has been followed very as how it has been shared. It has been followed in the same way, and almost the syllabus has been completed very prior by December itself. With that, the Chirag was able to take up actually every week test, and he could solve the problems, and every module test. All these tests helped him for preparing for the competitive exams.
By seeing the Chirag's state score and the result of that one, we are quite happy. Now he has reached the level what we are expecting, and that too help of Vedantu.
So thank you for all the guidance given.